Broadcast. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, June the 18th, 2012, 4 p.m. Eastern. S&P is certainly not showing what a day. Can you say fill in the gap? Holy crap. I just don't know why I bought it into the filling in the gap. But Eurodollar coming in all the way and more as we continue to see the Europeans not taking this very seriously. We had no ECB rate cut. We had no QE. We had no nothing. All we had was a Greek election, which basically told us nothing. Apparently the Greeks are going to ask for austerity measures to be spread out over 4 years, not 2. Nothing is set in stone at all. And therefore, the euro took a drilling across the board, but commodity currencies showed signs of life. Gold hung in there tough. Stock market, S&P closing fairly decent. Hey, listen, up on the day. That's a positive. 10, 20, 30 exponential starting to cross to the upside now. And I'll tell you, it looks like 1360, like I said, but again, we do our Fibonacci retracement. And that 1358, 1357 level looks possible. I wouldn't be surprised. G20 again, we should get some headlines coming out. And we look at this dollar index, again, it's mostly the euro. So that's why we had the dollar index a sharp rebound. But you wouldn't know it if you were short the Aussie dollar or the Kiwi dollar, maybe dollar Canada. But certainly an outside day, certainly fairly significant. Outside candles usually mean complete reversal of fortune, and we should head higher. And again, this euro dollar absolutely got taken out to the woodshed and shot. Outside candle, that's a disaster candle. Unless they come out with something. Unless G20 comes out with something, Houston, we got a problem. Certainly 125, even 124.50. But when we look at the euro across the board, that's what it was. Not euro Swiss, of course. Euro yen, big reversal. Man, we take out 99. I don't think we're going to, but euro Aussie, euro Canada, euro sterling. Oh, baby. That was a good one. Euro Canada. Nailed that to the pip. My channel line. Gotta love channel lines. Sometimes they work. More than 50, I'll tell you that. Gorgeous. Wedging. Certainly 128.50. I think 128 gets retested. It's a monster reversal. Love it. But you look at Euro Aussie, Euro Kiwi. Oh, baby. Getting annihilated here. So, again, you would think that as the euro goes, so should the S&P. So we're getting a little bit of divergence here. And, again, this is a major break. Tried buying that pound Kiwi and the stock market was going down. That didn't work. Major break. This thing is in a freaking free fall. I think we look to sell this bounce. This thing might be going back to the lows. And I'll tell you, cable, we got numbers coming out tonight, people. Eurozone, German zoo, CPI data, as well as house prices. Those rebounded. We know that. But let me tell you, CPI is going to come in and suck wind for London. Nice little reversal candle. I think you sell the strength. I don't think it's going to be a good number. The only risk is some sort of G20 statement. G20 actually gets something done. I am saying this, and I continue to believe it. People think I'm crazy. The only way to save the euro is to get rid of Germany. I know it sounds nuts. Germany is the problem. Germany does too well. You get a euro dollar trading at 75. You get the Deutschmark back trading at double par. And we're good. Perfect. Hello. So we do have a bunch of numbers. Australia coming out with their minutes of their meeting. Remember, they cut 25 basis points last meeting. Aussie looks awesome. I shorted it. Long Kiwi. Worked out okay. We got a nice channel line coming up here. I'm looking for a nice turnaround Tuesday, people. I think the minutes are going to be relatively hawkish from a sense of they're done. They've done enough. So I think we rally. Maybe we get up to 102, 101.75-ish. We get to our Fibonacci spot. Well, we hit it. To the pip. Actually, I think it took it out by a couple of pips. And then I think we reverse. Now, again, you can now look at another Fibonacci from this one. Say, all right, where's it going to go? And I think that 102 spot. Big resistance here. Big. That would be my spot. Absolutely. And I think if the euro could rally, if cable could double top, I don't believe this. No freaking way. And again, if you do your Fibonacci from here, we get to our big 80-50 level in that zone, only 120 pips away. Showing the 50% retracement. But at this point, we're getting past to the pip. The golden retracement is 61.8. I just think if Germany leaves, everyone gets screwed. Right? Complete devaluation. Germany's the problem. Germany needs to leave. Euro would collapse. It would find a level. They'd have to become more competitive. This one does not look good. So again, I do think we're going to have more of a pop. I think you sell into that pop. When we look at gold, hangs in there, came nice comeback. Gold, I think, is going higher. After the Fed, gold will make its big move up or down. After the FOMC, absolutely. If it looks like they're going to twist more and print more, to the moon. If they don't, which many market players think they won't, gold collapses. Crude looks like it's going to go to 75. But again, we got this monster channel line here at 80. Again, follow me on Facebook, Voice of Forex. Follow me on YouTube, Voice of Forex. Follow me on Twitter. That's the one. Voice of Forex, baby. I send out more on that. Dollar Canada, I like it short. But certainly not acting very good. Outside candle to the upside. But again, this channel line, I don't think gets broken. I think 103 holds. I am short it right now, and I like it. I think got to be hedged in this environment. Again, the euro looks like it's dead. That's the one. Again, that is the one that I think is toast. I'll tell you, some other ones look interesting. This Luna Yen, as long as we don't break here, stock market's going up. A nice V bottom, head and shoulders. We take out 78, pop right to 79. Bang! We do get wholesale sales tomorrow in Canada. We get building permits out of the U.S. Housing starts. Big deal. German Zoo, big number. And CPI data out of London, big number. And, of course, Australian minutes. If they're done, if they say no more, remember they cut 50 and then 25, Aussie goes to 102. But look, to back the truck up there. Beep, beep, and sell. Get the dump truck out, baby. We are not breaking out. What, now we're going to go to the highs? I mean, should we take out 102? Let me tell you something. 105 and then 107. And tomorrow's a big day. Because if we do close above 102, I got to tell you, we're going to 105. Maybe even 107. Absolutely. So tomorrow's a big day to see if this market has some legs. Currency market, stock market, S&Ps, certainly if you're a bear, you got to be nervous. I'm nervous. Closed fairly strong again. New closing high for the last month. And we take out 1360, again, just like that Aussie chart, we could be heading right back to 1395. Holy crap. So, should be a very interesting day. Very. And I'm not 100% sure what's going to happen. Let me tell you something. Superman's going to come in, swoop down, ECB, Draghi, Geithner, burn your ass off, Key. Come in and save the day. So you got to be really on your toes, ready to read and react, right? Football, read, react. And go with it. Don't get stuck on one bias. Let me tell you something. Stock market came in, this Aussie dollar kept going higher. A couple of analysts really bullish on the Australian dollar. We only got up 550 pips. But again, we saw that consolidation. We're getting pull, flag, pull. If we flag and we don't reverse, and we get that shooting star and come right back sharply, and we flag again, we might be heading for that 105, 104.75 area. So we'll see. Again, any questions, email me, info@globalfxllc.com. Should be one hell of a week. I have a new chat software, people. That's why some of you people that signed up for the 1-week trial, sorry. I'm trying to work out the kinks. I will send you an email shortly. So look for that. And again, remember my premium service. You get access to my chat room 24 hours a day. I have S&P charts, oil, gold, dollar index, all trading live real time that you get 24 hours a day, as well as a newsletter that begins with G that costs $400 a month as part of my service. Daily trade emails with trade recommendations, as well as changes via Twitter. All for the price of $200 a month. Just think of what costs $400 a month. Look what you get on top of that. And I have a premium junior at $50 a month. $500 for the year prepaid. You get everything except the chat room. So you get the research. I have a great Goldman Sachs piece. If you like it, email me, info@globalfxllc.com. I send out about once a week when I get it, sometimes more. Great chart, technical stuff, Goldman Sachs research. Email me for it, info@globalfxllc.com. So not only do you get the newsletter, you get some research from Goldman. You get access to my premium Twitter. Daily trade recommendation emails with buy, stop limits, sell, stop limits, bubble zones. And, of course, I'm here to answer any questions when I'm in the chat room. Oh, baby. So even if you're new to trading, new to Forex trading, you stick with me for a couple of months, I'll have you right on track. I might not be the best mentor and put up with your crap, because I feel if I teach you something once, I shouldn't have to do it again. It's part of my problem. That's why I don't have a lot of subscribers, but it is what it is. Again, this Euro-dollar, massive outside candle. I do want to look for strength to sell. I think we get back up to 26, even 50. Be a great spot to leg in. I'd love to see sterling rally to leg into that. And again, the way the commodity currencies closed, Aussie and Kiwi, This dollar Canada, to me, should be a nice short. We came off the session highs. We got up to 102.80. Hopefully you sold some there. I like this short. Anytime you see a wick, usually there's follow through. You got the wick, follow through. You got to take your trade a lot. But I think this Kiwi dollar certainly comes back down on the 102. And again, try my product. 1 week trial for free. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves. And by the way, pound Kiwi, oops, sorry, forgot about that. I did tweet about that. I'm out. This thing acts too good. Bad. We had the hammer. Going for previous day lows, under 97.50, got to get the hell out. And with, Euro Kiwi, Euro Aussie collapsing, this baby really might make a run. We might actually come down, I can't believe it, to 188. Another 1,000 pips. I'm going to be sick. But we'll look, again, stock market gets hit, gold gets hit, you buy the crap out of this. And unless we melt, this thing, and if the stock market is going to head back up 13.95, this baby's going to go down another 800, 900 pips. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Fill the gap, baby. Hopefully you sold that euro. Bye-bye.